Hey, what's going on, YouTube family and friends? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use mulch in the vegetable garden. I am so excited. You see right behind me, this stuff smells great. This is my Christmas tree mulch I talked to you about. It's called Grinding of the Greens, so you need to check it out next time if you're in your area, just in case you were not able to get this valuable resource. All right, so what you have to do is real simple. After a couple weeks, about 2 to 3 weeks after Christmas, go look at your local center. If they have Grinding of the Greens, you can pull up your pickup truck, and in most cases they will have a front loader there. They will load up your pickup. If you don't have a pickup, then you can take bins and scoop up as much mulch as you need, and then put it in your car, and you can keep coming back. All right, I'm going to show you 3 ways to use this mulch. I am so excited because this mulch is going to do great things for your garden as well as mine. So after I show you the 3 benefits, then maybe you may decide to do it. So let's go. All right, now the first way that I'm going to show you how to use it, I'm going to make compost with it. So if you look real close, it has greens and browns already there. So all I'm gonna do is add it to my compost bin with all my other goodies. All right, so when you're doing your compost, if you don't know, you wanna make sure that you get your compost pile 3 feet wide and 3 feet high. And that's gonna help it break down all the mulch. And with this process, I'm still going to mix in my compost that I use, my compost scraps from the house, my food waste. I'm gonna put that in here too. So I'm gonna get all the benefits that I need from it. All right, so I'm gonna finish that up a little later, but that's one way that you can go ahead and do this. It is gonna be amazing compost once it breaks down. So that's the first way to use this compost. I mean the mulch. And I also wanted to let you know that if you don't have access to the Christmas tree mulch right now, because it's already at the end of January, I just got mine last week. You can use leaves. You can use the your waste from your garden. You can use also grass clippings. You can use wood chips, which I have a lot of. So those are some of the things that you can use for your mulch. You can use straw also. I wouldn't use hay because you have the weed seeds. Don't ask me how I know, because I've already done that years ago. All right, so I don't want to bring the grass seeds in. Let's go on to the next step for number 2. All right, now this is my Asian pear tree. You probably remember I made the tags out of soda cans so I can know what the names are. This is my Yonashi Asian pear. So what I did, I pulled the wood chips back, and you can see it's already changing into that good compost. So all I'm gonna do is take my wood chips, well, my Christmas tree mulch, and I'm gonna go all the way around it, just like that. And wait till you hear all the benefits of this. This is amazing. This is gonna be so nice. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull my wood chips back around on top of the Christmas tree mulch. I just gave this tree a nice present, and it's gonna love it. You see how big this tree is gonna get this upcoming season. All right, so I'm gonna pull it back just a little bit. All right, so the Christmas tree mulch, I'm going to mulch all my fruit trees until I run out, because that is a game changer. This is some good stuff. Wait till you try it. All right, we're gonna go to the next step. All right, now I'm in my raised bed. So all I'm gonna do is take this mulch and layer around the top of the beds. And I'm gonna go around my plants. And I got weeds coming up, so I'm gonna put it all the way around the base of the plants. These plants are gonna love it. And if you don't have any plants in your raised beds yet, and you can do this for the winter time, you want to make sure you cover your soil, and this will protect your soil. So all I'm gonna do is continue this process until I cover all the soil and all the way around the raised beds. So this is another way to use this Christmas tree mulch, and like I said, you can use any mulch to do this. All right, now I'm still going to continue to mulch this area. What are the benefits? Why to mulch? The reasons are endless. All right, the first reason is once I cover my soil, I don't have to worry about the soil being eroded, or when I get ready to water my soil, or if it rains real hard, I don't have to worry about the soil being displaced and you could lose soil. So if you cover it, you don't have to worry about it. Next reason is because I'm protecting the microbes in the soil, and I'm protecting it from all the different types of temperature. Believe it or not, this mulch, wood chip mulch, this type of mulch, any mulch, it is going to regulate the temperature in your soil. So when it's real cold, it's going to keep the microbes nice and warm. And once again, when it's real hot, it's going to keep it cool. All right, so it works as a soil regulator. That is very huge. I mean, that right there just makes me want to keep on mulching. The next reason is you don't have to worry about watering as much. And you know, the raised beds, they are higher off the ground, so they dry out a lot sooner. But if you mulch your area, you don't have to worry about watering as much. And that's the reason why I have a food forest, because I saw the benefits. I don't have to water at all. And in one of my videos, there was a watermelon that I didn't know of down on this area, and I was just cleaning my area up. I never watered that location because I didn't see any watermelons there. It was a big watermelon, and I never watered it. That's the game changer. All right, so, and I will attach that video at the end of this one. But it is amazing. And the next benefit is that once all of this breaks down, it's gonna bring the worms. I mean, worms galore. That tree you saw over there, once that breaks down, and it breaks down a lot quicker than these wood chips that I have on my ground right now. So the worms are gonna come, they're gonna fertilize that area, and it's gonna aerate the area with the roots there. Same thing for my plants. Plants love it, trees love it, the ground loves it. So it is just amazing. And check this out, once it rains, it's fertilizing the tree, is fertilizing my plants, because that is compost tea, and I'm not doing anything. I've already laid down the ingredients. When it breaks down, it rains, my plants get to be huge. All right, so that's the reason why I like to use these wood chips, use the Christmas tree mulch. It's gonna be great for your garden, so just keep that in mind. And those are just awesome benefits. So if you ever think about using the wood chips, or matter of fact, you don't have to use the wood chips. You can use wood chips, you can use the leaf mold, you can use Christmas tree mulch, leaves. Just try out a small area around a couple of your plants and see how it works. If it's great, then you may try to add even more of it. So this is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today. And just remember, grow something tasty. I'll see you next time. Let me get back to it. It's exciting.